Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel online coaching class A to Z English Grammar।
हेलो एवरीवन, आज के इस वीडियो में हम आपको बताने जा रहे हैं फुल फॉर्म। ऐसे वैसे वर्ड्स के हम आपको फुल फॉर्म बताने जा रहे हैं जो आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फुल फॉर्म ऑफ VIP, आंसर वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट पर्सन, very important person. Full form of KYC, answer knows your customer, knows your customer. Full form of IP, answer internet protocol, internet protocol. Full form of CC, answer carbon copy, carbon copy. Full form of CT scan, answer computed tomography scan. Full form of SMS, answer short message service. Full form of TB, answer terabyte, answer terabyte. Full form of GB, answer gigabyte, answer gigabyte. Full form of MB, answer megabyte, answer megabyte. Full form of email, answer electronic mail, answer electronic mail. Full form of LPG, answer liquefied petroleum gas, liquefied petroleum gas. Full form of CD, answer compact disc, answer compact disc. Full form of DVD, answer digital versatile disc, digital versatile disc. Full form of DOC, answer document, answer document. Full form of ICU, answer intensive care unit, intensive care unit. Full form of CAT, answer common admission test, common admission test. Full form of MNC, multinational corporation, answer multinational corporation. Full form of HTC, answer high tech computed, high tech computed. Full form of BBC, answer British Broadcasting Corporation. Full form of STD, answer subscriber trunk dialing, subscriber trunk dialing. Full form of ISD, full form of ISD, answer international subscriber dialing. Full form of PCO, answer public call office, public call office. Full form of PhD, answer Doctor of Philosophy, Doctor of Philosophy. Full form of DIG, answer Deputy Inspector General. ओके फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ मेरे वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। थैंक यू।